Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a few cleaning habits I try to follow to keep my bathroom looking clean for a longer time. I know something us mamas struggle with is lack of time, and by following this simple system you will actually prolong your weekly deep cleaning, just because this simple method will not only make your bathroom look clean but also feel clean as well. I don't follow this routine on a daily basis, and that's why I want to show you that you can have a very clean bathroom without having to clean every single day. So to me, cleaning every day does not simplify my life, so I try to do these things every other day. Some things I only do twice a week, and then some things are just things that I do in general just to maintain the bathroom. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some of the more general cleaning habits that I try to do on a weekly basis just to prolong my deep cleaning for that week, or just to make my deep cleaning easier. So number one, no excuses, is pick up the clothes as soon as it comes off. Quite honestly, it makes my life easier if I just go ahead and sort the clothes in my laundry sorter than having to pick up a whole pile of clothes at the end of the week. The second thing I like to do is to place everything back where it belongs. So for example, the hairbrush will go back into this little hair caddy that I have, my makeup will go back into the drawer, and just anything that I use throughout that day will go back in its home. Hanging your towels makes your bathroom look super organized. I feel like it looks quite messy when you have your towel thrown over the shower door or your hand towel on top of the counter. This small detail makes a huge difference. Another general cleaning habit of mine is to wash my towels on a weekly basis. This will definitely avoid that musty smell that towels tend to get, and it just makes your bathroom feel very fresh when your towels are cleaned. Throwing away the trash is super important. You don't want any funky scents coming from the bathroom, and then also throwing away any empty bottles or empty packaging. I've mentioned this before, but this is also another small detail that makes a huge difference, and this is called a soap saver. It prevents any of that soap scum from sticking onto the ledge of the tub, therefore making your tub look a lot cleaner. For me, keeping my countertops clutter-free makes a huge impact when walking into my bathroom. So although this may seem somewhat organized, there are still too many bins that make it look cluttered. I try to store all those bins inside the cabinet and make my countertops look as minimal as possible. Something else I like to do is to keep an air freshener handy just to make my bathroom smell fresh all the time. Next, I'm going to show you my every other day cleaning habits, and I'm not going to lie, on a good week I can do this every other day, but on a normal week, if life gets in the way, I just do this twice a week. So number one is to grab a Lysol wipe. I usually have them stored inside the cabinet, and clean all the countertops and inside the sinks. I also use those Lysol disinfecting wipes for the toilet seat, and then I like to keep some sort of toilet bowl cleaner handy inside my cabinet so I can quickly give the toilet a good scrub. Next, I take a glass cleaner and clean all of the mirrors, the shower glass, as well as the faucets. This also makes a huge impact and makes it look cleaner than what it actually is. You won't have any watermarks on your mirror or water spots in your shower doors. So it looks like you spent an hour deep cleaning your bathroom, but in reality you only took less than 4 minutes to give everything a good wipe down. Now, about twice a week, I will spray the daily shower cleaner from Method all over my shower, and this is a no rinse solution, so it kind of self cleans itself and I don't have to do that much work. And then lastly, vacuuming the floors will give it the appearance of a clean floor without you having to mop it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some great cleaning tips. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.